Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to mark exit an employee from HR admin side. Before you log in into PromptHR, please check you must be having rights to access exit/separation module. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Exit from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Employee Exit. You can see analytics and graphs here which are pre-built on the basis of exit data of employees. From here you can change the analytics, for example select type month from the drop-down if you want to see monthly graph, attrition type-wise graph, age-wise and gender-wise etc. Change from into dates from here to customize the output if you want to see analytics for a particular period and submit. Well, for marking an employee exit, click here on the list button. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form. 1. Click here on the two-dotted button to select the employee. 2. You can see, notice period is already here, because this was entered at time of his joining. But if you want to modify it, you can do it. For example, I changed it to 50 days. 3. Select type of exit from the drop-down, for example I selected voluntary. 4. Date of resignation is coming here as current date, but you can change it. I changed it to 30th April 2020. 5. Software will show you exit date here as per notice period. 6. Now enter here employee's last working date. 7. If you not entered exit date, it means employee will be on resigned status and serving notice period. 8. Software will calculate last drawn salary and recovery of notice pay days automatically. 9. Now if you have details of company, which company employee going to join, enter here and enter some notes, for example I am putting he can be rehired in the notes. But these fields are not mandatory. 10. Now click on Save icon. After saving, in the list you can see employee is on resigned status. Now imagine he served his notice period and today his last working day, so you will have to mark him exit. For marking him exit, go to exit and click on his name from the list. Click on edit icon, pencil icon. Now enter his exit date. You can initiate no-deuce process from here. Now click on Save icon. After saving, in the list you can see employee's status is changed to exit.